What's going on, guys? Make money online in every single day. I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. Today, I want to share how we will get paid $1,000 per day by making a video just following this copy paste easily from any corner of the world. If you don't have any skill or experience to make a video for uploading on your brand new YouTube channel, just follow this video step by step. Today I want to share how we will create a new video easily from any corner of the world. First of all, if I search on this YouTube search bar about six figures help pack, you will be able to get lots of videos over here. And after searching on this selected topic, just click on this filter button over here and then click on this Creative Commons over here. There are lots of videos you can source from here and you can edit by downloading this video or any types of videos from here. So what will be the best figures or what will be the best strategies to make a video to use Creative Commons videos from YouTube channel. Now I like to share another informations about Creative Commons. Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. So you can use these Creative Commons videos from YouTube channel to upload your video by editing after following this video today. So if you don't have any experience, no hesitation, no experience, no investment, just follow this video. So before starting this video, I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. And on the other hand, if you are a newbie, just subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you have any question, just come to this comment box and comment your believable questions. So let's get started. First of all, if you search on this search box, I mean on YouTube channel, any types of search box, just six figures help pack, you'll be able to uh, get lots of videos over here, and this video is about six-figure healthcare increases no one talks about. This guy has uploaded this video before 3 months, and this video has gained views 3000, I think. So this one is 9.1 thousand, I think 8.1 thousand, I think, and lots of videos over here, and you are watching this step by step. So what should you do after coming this interface? First of all, you have to source that video and you can edit after uploading this one. If I source this one from here and I open this on another tab, just download this video from here and just click on this and uh, remove this www dot and just write as, then select this one. And all right, this URL of this video you have to copy from here and then you have to download on your device, I think, easily, and just click on this download button and then you have to download on your computer. So what should you do after downloading your sizable video from this platform easily? So it's downloading and six-figure healthcare, and I am downloading this one from the YouTube channel, and you can use any types of Creative Commons video from any types of channel, I think. So you can edit or re-edit on your device after editing according to yourself, and then you can upload this video on your brand new YouTube channel without any types of hesitation. You can confirm your monetization to earn extra cash from any corner of the world. I think this is the best and easiest. So if you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences, you can follow this step or strategy to start your journey as a beginner or as a newbie over here. And then after downloading this one, you can use this another website. This is called openshot.org. Openshot.org is a simple and pretty cool video editing software just for free. You can download from here. On the other hand, I strongly recommend you to use any types of video editing software, like I am using this video editing software Filmora 9 or Filmora 8. Or on the other hand, You can use Camtasia 9 or 8 easily to edit your any types of video for uploading your on your YouTube channel. So after downloading this video, you have to use this openshot.org to editing that video whatever you like, or as you can see here. And then after creating this video, what should you do? And after uploading this video, you have to provide all the informations about this that selected videos, and then you can use this Quora.com. Quora is a professional place. Lots of people are gathering knowledge on different types of categories or uh, specific niches, as you can see here. And I have written here six figures health pack. There are lots of articles over here, and then you can select this article whatever you like. Just copy this one to provide this to your description box, I think. So what are the description box? If I come to this go channel, I mean make money online, if I open this video, and you will be able to get the description box, and you have to provide all the informations about six figures healthcare, I think. So this is the description box. I think if you come to this one, edit video, you have to provide all the informations on your description box whatever you like. This is the description box. You have to provide all the informations from Quora.com. After copying this one, just boom, this is the best and strategy to rank your video on your brand new YouTube channel. And you can use the bitiq.com to use the tag on your YouTube video. This one are my tags, and you have to provide all the tags by using this bitiq.com. Just if you uh, don't have any account on bitiq, just provide all the information. I mean email address, password, and just create your account on bitiq too, or search any types of professional tag for your YouTube videos. Boom, this is the best and easiest way. Now I'd like to share another one. If you want to create your iCassie gig like this one, you have to use your canva.com just for free. Create your account. Just click on this sign up button over here, and then you can create YouTube thumbnail. thumbnail thumbnail just over here. Click on this. There are lots of ready-made YouTube thumbnails over here. You can choose from here in types of template according to your niches or according to your videos over here. This one you can select like this, and you can edit or re-edit over here, and then you can edit. Just click on this and select this one, and you have to select on this size from here. This one is text color, this one is bold, this one is italic. You can credit you can create any types of thumbnail for your brand new YouTube channel. So after doing this one, just download from here and upload on your YouTube video. This one is the best and easiest way to use any types of creative common videos from YouTube channel to monetize your YouTube channel for earning extra cash easily without any types of hesitation or experience or knowledge. No need to investment, or no need to skill, or no need to know much more graphic related work just by using this canva.com to create any types of design on canva.com. So thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. And if you are first time, just you didn't uh, click on this bell button to get all types of notifications from here. Just click on this and subscribe my channel, and like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. If you want to get such types of make money online related latest videos, just keep connected. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.